Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're making a card with the Gather Together set and die, matching dies. And it is a card that can actually fold flat in an envelope, but when you pull it open, it can actually stand up on a table. And you can see the message inside. So let's get started. We'll start with a piece of cardstock that is 5.5 by 8.5, and I score it 4 times. So I score it at 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 4.5, and 5. And what's cool, again, you know me and my paper saving, you can make 2 cards per piece of 8.5 by 11. So you're going to take your cutter, and you're going to cut this in half after you've scored it at 4 1/4. You're going to get 2 equal pieces. You're going to take one of the pieces and you're going to use the layering oval set. I love this set because it has the ovals and then the scallop ovals that match. So cut out an oval from that. You can use that a little later. And then we're going to use the same size for the gold, the brush gold cardstock. I use the same size for the inside, and then I did the a size up so I can make this lovely ring. And so I thought it'd be cool to accent the card there. See if I can get it to match. There we go. And then I went ahead and cut some leaves with these dies, and they're really cool. They emboss and cut at the same time, and they look like this. And I put some mini dimensionals already on the back of them. So I'll take those off. That one I believe is crushed curry. This one, I think it is the new cinnamon cider. And then this is in real red. I just want a little dollop right there so I can tuck it in under here. So that's the front of it. For this piece, I took a piece of Whisper White and I did a regular oval, and I brought a piece of scrap paper because I want to stamp off, and I'll show you that technique. So the colors I use are Cajun Craze, Crushed Curry, and Real Red. So with the Cajun Craze, I have the big leaf, and I just want to stamp off because it's really dark, so I just wanted a real subtle leaf on there. Do you see that? So it's lighter. And then with the crushed curry, I wanted the same look with the wheat. I didn't want it really super dark. So I stamped off. We'll do this side. So it's a little faint, but I like that look. And then for the sentiment, I used the Real Red. And didn't stamp off on that one. So those are the different ones I used. And then, here we go. Stamp and seal, T on the top, so I know where to put that top back when I return it. Because I always wonder, it's like that USB dilemma, right? And you're always wrong the first time. So then I centered it there. Put that back in. Then I'm going to use some tear and tape and put it only on the first, I don't know, the panel? What would you call that? The first part that you scored. Then we're going to fold down and then up. So do that again, down and then up. This way. Actually, that's the back, so we'll have to do the other way, sorry. Let's do opposite. That way the tear and tape is up. And then on this one, we'll do it that way. We'll do down and up accordion. It's so funny that I lift stuff up when I'm doing videos when I should be doing it on the table. So take off the release paper of the tear and tape. Alright. Now you're just going to match up the edges here. And on the other side. Alright, so it looks like this when you're done, but you can actually fold it in when you're putting it in your envelope. So what do you think? This one was the Cajun Craze. This one was the Cinnamon Cider. So thank you for letting me share this with you. Be sure to check out my blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. Or you can go to YouTube and hit the subscribe button and you'll see all my video tutorials. Thank you and have a great day.